Good afternoon. Of course, this incident is a very unfortunate, horrific incident which cannot be condoned. We condemn it as a government that the incident cannot be tolerated any further in this country for a Sri Lankan. Of course, we are very sure that the incident itself was not targeting our country, our religion, or our race. It was incident in isolation, which we are very happy the way the government of Pakistan has taken undertaking in punishing the culprits. Already we are seeing that a large number has been rounded up, remanded, and legal action is being pursued. Our relations between the two countries will not have an impact because of this incident. Our relations go back to the time we had independence, and from there onwards, Pakistan has been our all-weather friend, has come to our assistance at all times. Whatever the government which was in power, our relations have been enhanced, and we are very confident that this particular incident will be handled by the government of Pakistan in a manner that the justice will be given to the victim's family and the children. We are also discussing with the government as to how the family can be compensated by where the husband was being employed. So thank you very much again, coming all the way to convey the condolences of the people of Pakistan to Sri Lanka and the family. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. अर्शद साहब बात करेंगे.
मेरे ख्याल में मैं उर्दू में बात कर लूँ. हम आए थे यहाँ पर आज, जिस तरह आपको पता है, और हम बहुत एहसानमंद हैं हाई कमिश्नर के कि उन्होंने बहुत ही एक दिन के नोटिस पे हमें ये वक्त दिया, और हम पाकिस्तान तहरीक इंसाफ की तरफ से हाज़िर हुए हैं इनसे माज़रत करने, ताज़ियत करने, और शर्मिंदगी है हमें बहैसियत कौम कि हमने ये इस किस्म का वाक़या पाकिस्तान की सरज़मीन पे रूनमा हुआ और दीन और हमारे एक इस्लाम जैसे मज़हब को इस्तेमाल करके ऐसा भयानक और हौलनाक वाक़या पेश आया. पाकिस्तान की आवाम का, पाकिस्तान की लोगों का ये जहनीत नहीं है. हमने एक्सेलेंसी को ये एश्योरेंस दी है कि ये एक वाक़या है जो कि, और उन्होंने ख़ुद हमसे ज़िक्र किया कि 99% पाकिस्तानी ने कंडोल किया है और ऐसे नहीं है. हम पाकिस्तानी अगर हैं तो अदनान मलिक जैसे हैं जिसने कोशिश की इस सारे हंगामे में अपना रोल अदा करने के लिए, और हम उनकी मेहनत को और उसको सराहते हैं. और हम यहाँ पर हाज़िर हुए ताकि हम अपने कौम की तरफ से, पार्टी की तरफ से इस भयानक वाक़या की मज़म्मत करें, और भरपूर मज़म्मत करते हैं. शर्मिंदगी अपनी जगह है बहैसियत कौम, और उम्मीद करते हैं कि आइंदा से हम बहैसियत कौम इसके ऊपर सोचेंगे, और ऐसे मज़ीद आने वाले दिनों में इस किस्म के वाक़यात की सख्ती से हम रोकने की कोशिश करेंगे, और इस जहनीत को इस मुल्क से ख़त्म करेंगे जिस जहनीत के
बयान की मज़म्मत करेंगे जो उन्होंने कहा.
उन्होंने अपने बयान की तस्दीक कर दी है, लेकिन मैं हर उस बयान की मज़म्मत करूँगा, हर उस शख्स की मज़म्मत करूँगा जिसने इस वाक़या को किसी भी एंगल से, किसी भी तौर से इसको जस्टिफाई करने की कोशिश की है. हम किसी सूरत में किसी शख्स की इसकी जस्टिफिकेशन को मंजूर नहीं करेंगे, सख्ती से कंडेम करते हैं.
Process of this country and its people. So we considering our brotherly relationship with Sri Lanka, it is more of a shock to us than it would have been otherwise also. So these are not really human beings who have done this. These are probably animals in human skin or clothing. So we condemn the incident and we hope that this.
I'm Shamira, Council of this High Commission.
At the outset, I would like to express my deep condolences to family, and my shock and disappointment. We as a nation, we as a party, and we as a people strongly condemn this, and to us that it would have been otherwise also. So these are not really human relationships between the two countries.
And our condolences with the family and with the people of Sri Lanka. Pakistan and Sri Lanka has a very strong brotherly relationship which goes back decades. And we really hope that this particular incident will not affect that relationship. And we assure you, like the Prime Minister himself condemned this, that
Sri Lanka as well as to the family of the bereaved. Yes, it's a horrific murder which happened in the most ugliest manner. But the government of Sri Lanka is very clear that it was not, the incident has nothing to do with Sri Lanka. Unfortunately, that manager happened to be a Sri Lankan. And of course, we are concerned that the way it was carried out is not the normal manner where the world decent people will accept. But we have seen the government of Pakistan immediately had taken all action which is possible at the highest level, and has taken given undertaking to the family and to us that very stringent action will be taken against the culprits. And we are seeing it now, that already a large number of people have been arrested, remanded, and the court action being taken. So we believe that the government of Pakistan's sincerity on this issue. Regarding friendship, I don't think we have to discuss that. We have been friends. We have been friends from the time we both attained independence, from the time the Sri Lankan founding father came here and met your founding father in 1948.